Da Jane Fatlagenis.
Pryddamra, sa ti, Fatlagenis?
Da Lord. The sick is these.
Mae sick is ddim. Dydd da, John.
Dydd da.
Fatlagenis?
Dylawer. Fatlagenis.
Prydda.
Pwrs
Steve of it.
Dydd da, Steve.
Sick is these, Steve?
Zim a sick is these.
Pan fynd to Eva.
Coffee mar plague.
A fynd cafos lech.
Minna, leth mar plague.
Dalar, coffi gwyn. A fynd cafos sugra.
Navin, I have heb sucra.
Dalar, coffi gwyn heb sugra rag Steve. John, sick is these?
Nagus. Ninsa's sick as them.
Dalar, coffi gwyn heb sugra rag Steve. Trafith rag John. Hame.
Pandra vinta Eva.
Te mar plague.
A vinta cavos le.
Minaf leth mar plague.
A vinta cavos sucra.
Na vinaf heb sugra.
That's quite a lot of Kernewek. Let's go through the phrases. As sick as these. Are you thirsty? Us. Im as sick as them. Yes, I am thirsty. Naggers. Nin's sick as them. No, I'm not thirsty. Pandra vinta Eva. What do you want to drink? Tea? Coffee? Avinta cavas. Do you want to have leth? Milk? Sugra? Sugar? Minav. I want. Navinav. I don't want.
Dydd da, Ben.
Dydd da, Steve.
Fatlagenis.
Un pwynt Miraz. Ti?
Halo.
Pandra Vinteva.
Ganfle, heb super rag chain. Turbid, rag John. Coffee gwyn, heb super rag of bin.
Dalua. Miraz. Miraz, Steve.
Oh, Maraz, Braz.
Welcome us down. So there you have it. Now you can head to the melting pot to order drinks in Cornish. Next month we're going to learn colours in Cornish with the children from Skol Verthrin. Du genes bis the nesatro, du genachwi.